If you are wondering if we have the 3.5mm headphone jack on Nothing phone 4A, then the answer is unfortunately no. If we take a look at the top of the phone, and then over here we just have two holes, and at the bottom we just have the USB-C port. Of course, if there is supposed to be the headphone jack, then usually it is located at the top or at the bottom. But in here we just have this USB-C port, and you can actually use this USB-C port in order to connect your wired headphones. So if you have wired headphones with USB-C cable, then you can just directly connect it to your Nothing phone 4A. But if you have this kind of cable, so we have this 3.5mm cable, then we need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like this. It converts the 3.5mm headphone jack to USB-C, so we can connect our wired headphones just like that, and then we can connect it to our phone over here, and it works just fine. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.